Hello, my name is Kevin Forrest, and I'm here to talk about Fletcher's Case. Fletcher's Case is a VR experience where the only mode of movement comes from the main character's wheelchair. My role in this project was that of producer and designer. I was responsible for leading scrums, planning milestones, and mediating any interpersonal issues that popped up, while also working closely with the creative lead to ensure that our product stuck to its core. Starting in pre-production, I made sure to lay a strong foundation of organization. I created a folder layout for all of our documentation that would easily allow for a transition towards organizing assets alongside them. We then focused on coming up with a clear vision for our product, creating a solid core for our game to build upon. We needed to get artists, sound designers, and programmers on our team, so while designers were documenting and prototyping out our features, I worked with the creative lead to come up with separate pitches for artists, sound designers, and programmers. We then moved on to pitching to and forming our art and sound design teams. Unfortunately, there were not enough programmers for every group to have one, so we had to move on without. This put a lot more stress on some of our designers and created a lot of technical debt right off the bat. We had no idea just how monumental the task of creating a new movement system on a new platform would be. As development continued, the movement became more and more of an issue. Without programmers, I had to put two of my best technical designers on the problem, losing a great deal of capacity in the process. To mitigate this problem, we really dived into research on what caused the motion sickness. We used this research to aid us in our massive amounts of prototyping and QA. We also used test subjects who are more prone to motion sickness for our QA. If we made the game enjoyable for them, everyone would be able to play it. As development continued, I could tell that the project was wearing some people down. To boost morale, I started to have one-on-ones with everyone bi-weekly. They would last roughly 30 minutes and consisted of 10 minutes of them talking about any topic, 10 minutes of my own topic, and 10 minutes about the project and how they felt about its progress. This, alongside the occasional coffee date, helped to dramatically improve morale. Nearing the end of production, we noticed that our vision wasn't coming together as planned. So, I called a meeting with everyone in the team to discuss the issue. I directed the meeting, putting all the problems on the whiteboard. I then got people to come up and write any ideas they had to solve the problems, getting input from not only designers, but also our artists and sound designers, stating that there were 0 bad ideas. Once people got riffing off of each other, the ideas to solve the problem really got flowing. We changed the aesthetic to black and white and moved towards a more Twilight Zone-esque feel, putting more weight on our strong sound design team. We did some research and found examples of the feeling we wanted to add. Putting on episodes of The Twilight Zone while working and listening to similar music helped to make sure that everyone lived and breathed this new angle.
I believe you're going my way.
Despite the technical problems, the new spin on things made the world feel alive and engaging. It got us to our MVP without sacrificing our core pillars. I've been Kevin Forrest, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.